Podio, a project management and collaboration platform, is nearing its end of life. This video guides you through exporting your contact lists to CSV or Excel before Podio's full decommissioning. As of January 2026, exporting your data is crucial to avoid data loss. Workday, Podio's parent company, encourages all users to migrate their data as soon as possible. Podio's data export functionality allows you to download your contact lists in standard formats. Contacts in Podio are organized as items within customizable apps, each containing structured fields such as names, email addresses, and phone numbers. When you export, this information is converted into spreadsheet files like CSV or Excel, making it easy to import into other business tools such as customer relationship management systems. Remember that these exports capture a moment-in-time view of your data without ongoing synchronization. To manually export your contact list from Podio, start by logging in to your Podio account. First, navigate to the relevant workspace and app that contains your contacts. Next, display your contacts in list or table view to see them clearly. Then select the specific contacts you want to export, or use Select All to choose everything. Go to the More menu, represented by 3 dots, and choose Export, followed by your preferred format, either CSV or Excel. If needed, customize filters to refine what data is included in your export. Finally, download the exported file to your device. Podio exports support 2 main file formats, CSV and Excel. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a lightweight format that's compatible with most tools like Google Sheets and Excel. CSV preserves field types, such as dates and numbers, and includes attachments as links. This makes it ideal for basic data transfer and import into other systems. Excel, with the XLSX extension, offers richer formatting options and supports advanced features, but results in larger file sizes. Like CSV, Excel preserves field types and includes attachments as links. However, its enhanced formatting capabilities make it better for more complex data presentation. When exporting from Podio, choose the format that best suits your needs and the capabilities of the system you're importing into. Now let's examine the permissions required for exporting data from Podio and the key limitations to be aware of. Only app editors or owners have permission to export data from Podio. Shared users may require elevated access to perform exports. Exports are snapshot-based and not live syncing. Large lists over 5,000 items may need to be split into smaller batches. Custom calculations and automations are not exported. Only the raw data is included. For advanced users, the Podio REST API version 2 provides programmatic export capabilities. This method allows direct access to Podio data through code, offering more control than manual exports. Key endpoints, such as item apps, app itis filter, allow you to query specific data from your Podio apps. You can filter contacts by various criteria and retrieve them in JSON format for easy processing. Tools like Zapier provide a no-code way to connect Podio to other applications. You can set up automated workflows that trigger exports based on schedules or events. For more customization, write custom scripts using Python with the PodioPy library. This allows you to handle complex filtering, data transformation, and integration with other systems. API access requires proper authentication, typically using OAuth tokens. Be aware of rate limits, such as 1,000 requests per hour for free plans, to avoid being blocked. The API enables scheduled exports that run automatically and filtered exports to retrieve only the data you need, making it ideal for ongoing data management. When exporting Podio contact lists, several common issues can arise that may affect the quality and completeness of your data. Let's explore the most frequent problems and their solutions. One common issue is character encoding problems, where special characters appear garbled in the exported file. To fix this, ensure your export uses UTF-8 encoding, which properly handles international characters and symbols. Another issue is missing data due to permission restrictions. Only app editors or owners have export rights, so shared users may see incomplete data. Check your permissions before attempting an export. Large file sizes can cause exports to fail or become unwieldy. Podio caps exports at 10,000 items per file, so split large lists into manageable batches to ensure successful downloads. To avoid these issues, always test exports on small subsets first, then validate the data in your target system. Ensure proper permissions and consider upgrading to a paid plan for higher export limits. With Podio's impending decommissioning, migrating to alternative platforms like Workday Adaptive Planning, Microsoft Viva, or Salesforce is crucial. Focus on leveraging migration tools for bulk exports and consider AI-assisted exports to map fields and minimize data loss during the transition. Exporting your data before Podio shuts down completely ensures you retain access to your valuable contact information. Act now to avoid any potential disruptions.